Hello everyone, it's me again. So, in 3 days time, I'm leaving this home, this country. I'm moving to a different country. So yeah, it's been insane. I've been so overwhelmed with work, with the move especially. Moving to a new country at this time. Whatever we are in right now, it's not easy. Getting a visa is difficult. Just the whole process of moving to a new country is not easy. And on top of that, organizing the move, which is a little bit stressful. Not only that, letting things go is actually so difficult because it's just messing with me. I can't throw things away. And I'm not even a hoarder. Like, I don't have much in this home. But there are things that meant so much to me, but I don't think I can bring them with me. I'm moving to a new country. First world problem, Chloe. First world problem. So the purpose of today's video is to share that I'm moving out of this home and my other home. And that's the home that I started YouTube with. That was where I created my first video. And I was supposed to move out of Australia and that home in May 2020. That's pre-COVID. So it was planned. I was gonna move out of Australia by May 2020 to LA. But it did not happen because COVID happened. So I decided to rent a new place over here in May 2020 as well. Because there was no way that I was gonna live in that home. It was really uncomfortable. The roof was leaking, the hot water wasn't working, I burned my leg. There was a lot of not so great memories there, and the home was just not insulated. It was really bad. So today I'm gonna bring you back to that home because I sold the house, and here we go. I feel like I'm revealing too much about my personal life right now. It feels uncomfortable, but you know what? It's okay to share a little. Also, I just want to share today's outfit because it took me a long time to find an outfit because I packed everything. These shorts I wore yesterday to get my errands done, and I was just left with this top on top and my sneakers. Yes, the sneakers is very kawaii. Oh, Disney. Let's go. I also just want to share my packing process. I have a few boxes. I think I have about 7 or 8 boxes that I'm bringing with me because I just can't get rid of these things. I can't sell them. I can't donate them away. I just want them. I just want them. Okay, so here it is. They're just some kitchen stuff. I use them for work and I don't want to have to think about getting them again. So I'm getting them shipped along with maybe like 2 more boxes of fitness wear. I can't get rid of my fitness clothes. Have a look at how I tape my boxes. Like, what the hell, man? I wanted to be sturdy, but I did not know that it turned out that way. And this is not the tape that I bought. They ran out of like the moving tape. I don't know if it's gonna hold the box. If it doesn't, then it's too bad. Yeah, I don't think there's a lot of things, honestly, given that I've lived in Australia for a long ass time. Let's go to the other home. You guys have seen everything in this home. I'll show you guys the other home. Welcome to my home. Here's my broken door. Can you guys see the shattered glass over here? All over here. I just bought the door with a cardboard because I did not want to spend money fixing this door because it was expensive. Anyway, come in. So here's the living area. I used to film here all the time. Like this way. This was where my couch was. So my couch was over here and I had a curtain here with flowers because this door does not look good. And I wanted to cover it, so I just covered the whole place and I basically shut the door. Yeah, I still have some furniture here because someone's gonna come and collect it later. And this was where my computer was. And the roof is like not doing really well. It's cracked. This fluff came out of there. It was really gross because I was working here. And also guys, I actually boarded the floor because the house was really dark. So I needed something light to reflect light off the floor. It was originally something like this. This is my kitchen where I film a lot of my videos here. My oven. As you guys can see that I don't know why the glass in this home just shatters. The oven is not working. It stopped working around the time I moved out. Also, the stove wasn't working as well. And here's the laundry area. And then that's my second bedroom. I filmed a couple of videos here before. Someone's gonna come and collect this soon. And here's my main bedroom. I bought the floor for this room too because it was so dark. It's still pretty dark in here. And this room is really cold because the windows were not great. Like, I can feel the air coming in from the windows. And there's no insulation in the walls anymore, and also above the ceiling. There's no insulation between the ceiling and the roof. So that's the reason why this home was so cold. I also taped the net outside because it was broken and there was always spiders coming in through my window when I opened it. Seriously, this home is not safe. People can just open the window and just come in. And that's the reason why, like I said, I could feel all the air coming in from the corners of the window. It was just not great. And single glaze, obviously. And last but not least, I want to show you guys my bathroom, which I will not miss. So here's the issue with this house. The hot water wasn't working. So sometimes when I take a shower, it would just turn really cold and I'll be freezing. And it's so miserable because the house was really cold and the hot water stopped working and I'll just be freezing in the bathroom. So yeah, the windows was bad. There was an insulation in the wall, roof's leaking when it's raining. Like, so freaking... I don't know why I stayed in this house in this condition. I really wanted it to work, but obviously it did not work. And the hot water issue altogether was just really, really bad. And that's the reason why I always leave this home during winter, because it was just miserable. I could survive summer in this home, but not winter. Yeah, here's the sink, which was not working at one point as well. It was leaking. The bathtub, which I never really used, other than the time that I burned my leg. That one time. Okay, well, back to the original spot. This was the only place that had great lighting, because everywhere in this home is pretty dark. This area is pretty sheltered. There's a lot of trees and all of that. It's just a really leafy suburb. I'm sure you guys can recognize this area. This was where I film my what I eat videos. So yeah, I do have pretty great memories here and not so great ones where I burned my leg right there. Right there. Where I saw my skin came off from my thighs. It was miserable, but it's okay. It's over. My thighs looking pretty okay. I mean, the scars on it. It has been 2 years, but it was a 2nd to 3rd degree burn, so it's gonna take a lot longer to heal. So anyways, I bought this house about 6 years ago and it got sold for almost double the price. So I guess it's worth it. Oh, this is worth it. I don't think burning my leg was worth it. I don't think I have much to show other than the leaking roof and ceiling situation over here. Like, I'll show you guys quickly. It's right here. So when it rains, water just drips down from here and the window over here. It's really weird. It will just like start dripping. Like, what the hell, man? Something is not right out there. And I do not want to know how, why. I do not want to go up there. There was also a lot of possums in my roof making a lot of noises at night. They were having sex in my roof, I think. I don't know what they were doing, but they were making a lot of noises. It was freaking me out. They were having sex in my roof. But eventually they left. Maybe because it was too cold and it was flooding up there. So eventually they left. They left after like a year or so. So yeah, that's it. Time to go back. Hey guys, I'm back home. I'm gonna miss this home so freaking much. Especially the filming set over here. This filming set is beautiful. You guys are not gonna see it anymore. This is it. Actually, that's not true because I filmed my January program over here. So you guys are gonna see it in January. But other than that, that's it. That's it. It's actually really sad. I miss this place. I freaking like this house. I'm gonna miss the kitchen. The kitchen is beautiful. But the other day, the person who made it did a really good job. This kitchen is amazing. Like, look at it. It's pretty much my dream kitchen. Like, I couldn't ask for a better kitchen. Like, this is pretty damn good. And also the filming set right here. This filming set is so convenient. I did not have to rent a studio anymore after I moved in. It is cost efficient and time efficient, so it's really great. So now I'm just gonna go to my little corner over there and cry because it's really sad. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and guess where I'm going to next. Maybe you guys knew all along. Maybe you get it right, you knew all along. And I'll see you guys in my new home. Okay, please like the video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Like the video.